All right, number 7 on practice B is actually an and problem, which some of you were asking about. Okay. And the key to it is whenever you see it, the first step is to split it into 2 separate statements. So negative 2 less than or equal to 3b plus 7 and 3b plus 7 less than or equal to 13. So split it, and then you can start working on it. So over here, to get the b by itself, what do I do? Minus 7. That's a 13. So negative 9 less than or equal to 3b. Now what? All right. Sounds like we're starting to kind of get the hang of the algebra. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Now you'll notice the algebra I do is the same because they both come from that same root. So I subtract 7 from both sides. Leaves me 3b is less than or equal to 6. I'll make sure I do that right. And divide by 3. And that gives me b less than or equal to 2. So I want to graph negative 3 is less than b, and b, let me put an arrow so you don't think that's attached to the b, and b is less than or equal to 2. So there's my number line. Here's negative 3, there's 0, there's 2. When I graph this one, I've got negative 3 less than b. What's that going to look like? Solid circle at negative 3 and shade to the right. Now when I do b is less than 2, what's that going to look like? Full circle. Or an open circle. Oh, closed circle. Okay, closed circle. Shaded to the left. Now, when I look at that, oh yeah, go ahead.
Why do you go past negative 3 and back to 2 with the shade?
I'm not done yet. Because the next question is, and this answers your question, why did I keep going? Because these keep going. When I ask the question, where is this true and this true? So what parts of the line have both the vertical shade and the regular shade? Well, that's this part right here between 3 and 2. So the actual solution, so erase that, and then we erase that, it's just this part in the middle. So my final answer is from 3 to 2 and all the points in the middle. Other questions on that? Feel like that sits? Sometimes you want to be sure you're prepared for the rare case where the and is actually not the part in the middle. It extends off to the side somewhere. Or the possibility, like if I had changed, let me slide back here to number 9. If I had changed this question to be an and, where do these two lines overlap? They don't. So what's my answer? There's no overlap. So the statement x is less than negative 4 or greater than 4 would be no answers. So you kind of want to make sure when you're doing your work, you're prepared for the small possibility that we're going to throw a trick question in there. Yeah. Oh yeah, the final answer is this part here with it shaded in the middle. Yeah. Go. All right, I think we got that pretty well, or as much as we can get on that particular question.